car accidents can be stressful and confusing experiences, especially when they are not your fault. One of the most pressing concerns is often how to manage transportation in the aftermath of an accident. If you find yourself in this situation, understanding your rights and the processes involved in securing a rental car is crucial. This article will guide you through the various aspects of car rentals following a not-at-fault accident, offering practical advice and insights. When you're not at fault in an accident, the question of who pays for your rental car can become complex. Typically, the insurance policy of the at-fault party should cover the costs associated with your rental. However, the specifics can vary significantly based on individual insurance policies and state laws. There are different types of coverage to consider when dealing with rental cars after an accident. 1. Liability coverage. This is the minimum coverage required by law. If the other driver is at fault, their liability insurance may cover your rental costs. 2. Collision and comprehensive coverage. If you have these types of coverage on your own policy, they might also help with rental reimbursement, especially if the at-fault driver is uninsured or underinsured. 3. Rental reimbursement coverage. Some insurance policies include specific rental reimbursement coverage, which pays for your rental car while your vehicle is being repaired. Coverage limits often range from $30 to $50 per day, with maximum payouts typically set around $900 to $1,500 per claim. Here are the steps you should take after the accident. First, call the police. Always report an accident to the police, especially if there are injuries or significant damage. A police report can be invaluable when filing claims with insurance companies. Second, notify your insurance company. Even if you were not at fault, it's essential to inform your insurance provider about the accident. They can guide you on the next steps and help facilitate the rental process. Third, document everything. Take photos of the accident scene, gather witness statements, and keep all documentation related to the accident and your vehicle's condition. Securing a rental car. Once you've reported the accident, your insurance adjuster will determine whether you are eligible for a rental car. If the at-fault party is responsible, they will guide you through the process of obtaining a rental car. In some cases, you may need to arrange a rental before the claims process is fully resolved, especially if you need immediate transportation. When you speak to a rental agency, be clear that the accident was not your fault. Depending on your insurance agreement and the at-fault party's coverage, you may need to reserve the car yourself initially. Once you pick up the car, the rental agency can work with your insurance provider to sort out the payment details. Common challenges navigating the rental process after an accident can come with its challenges. 1. Coverage limits. Not all policies cover the full cost of a rental car, and some may have daily limits that fall short of actual rental rates. It's important to understand your policy's specifics to avoid unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. 2. Delayed payments. Sometimes there can be delays in processing claims, which can affect your ability to secure a rental car. It's wise to keep communication open with both your insurance company and the rental agency. 3. Disputes over fault. If there is any contention regarding fault, this can complicate the rental reimbursement process. Having a police report and witnesses can help clarify the situation. What to do if you can't get a rental car. If you face difficulties securing a rental car after an accident that wasn't your fault, consider these steps. First, negotiate with the rental agency. Sometimes rental agencies are willing to extend rental periods or adjust terms based on your circumstances. Second, explore alternative transportation. If a rental car is unavailable, look into other options such as rideshare services, public transportation, or borrowing a vehicle from a friend or family member. Third, consult legal professionals. If you encounter persistent issues with your insurance or the at-fault party's insurer, consulting with a legal professional who specializes in auto accidents might be necessary. Conclusion: experiencing a car accident that wasn't your fault can be overwhelming, but knowing how to navigate the rental car process can ease some of that stress by understanding your rights, knowing the types of insurance coverage available, and taking proactive steps. You can ensure that you are not left without transportation during this challenging time. For more detailed information on car rentals after accidents, including claims processes and coverage specifics, you can visit. Remember, staying informed and advocating for your needs is key to a smoother recovery after an accident. Safe travels.